Hi, I wanted to make sure that you knew how to insert or attach your weekly tests. Before you do that, make sure that you have saved your test in a place that you can remember. I save a handful of my stuff that I need immediate attention, or that if I need it for immediate attention, I save it on my desktop. So with your class, maybe you have a folder and it's labeled with the class name on it, and you could drop your, you could save that on your desktop since that's the class you're working on. And then in your folder, you could save your test as a file there. So make sure you know where your test is saved. Okay, so when you are inserting documents, submitting your assignments, look for this little hand here. Here's a little video that will actually be helpful. Let me click on here. And it's a video on how to save your documents. Okay, so that's a video that would be very helpful for students here. Okay, but let me just go back. Okay, so this is showing you how to save your document, and then here uploading your file. This is in your orientation course, by the way. I maybe didn't make that very clear, but all of this is found in your student orientation for Valley College. Let me slide this over. So you will see a little hand with a paper, and you will click on that. It may not say upload your file here. It may say something else, okay? But I'm going to click on that because that's where I need to download my assignment. Okay, it's going to say add submission, so you hit add submission. Okay, and then you can choose your file, so you click on that little I'll do it one more time. I will click on this little fella up here. You can drag and drop them if you want to right in, but I'm gonna click right there, and then it says upload a file, so I will choose a file. Okay, and I'm going to choose mine. I think I saved one as Bob. So yeah, I saved my test as Bob Gob. So I am going to double click on Bob Gob. It's now showing me that it's ready for attachment, and then I click upload this file. Okay, and once it's there, you can see it. Okay, you can save your changes. And notice what it says. It said it is submitted for grading. The grading status is it is not graded. Okay, so you can use this to help you submit in MAT 125. So going to MAT 125, okay, let's go down to week 2. Okay, so in week 2, this is my instructor page. Okay, so it'll look maybe a little bit different than yours when we get down to the assignment. But what you'll do is you'll look at the week 2 test. Notice there's the hand there. It's saying you got to submit something. So you'll click this link, okay? And then you will look for that submission button, okay? When I click this, it will look different because I have an instructor shell and you have a student shell. But look for this link. There's for your week 2 test. You'll click it and you're going to add a submission there. Okay, so I'm going to run through just quickly one more time. Back to ground student orientation. Okay, I'm going to quickly scroll down. When you're submitting assignments, look for the little hand. Yours will say test 2 or week 2 test. Okay, you click on that one here, and you will yours will say add a submission because I already added a submission. It says edit a submission or remove a submission. Okay, once you add your submission, okay, you're looking for this icon, and that way it'll allow you to choose a file and to upload that file. Okay, in MAT 125 for week 2, you'll scroll down to the little assignment hand. That's right here. Click on the week 2 test and you're going to add submission there. I hope this was helpful.